This is a photo that shows optical activity in KaroSyrup. How did I take this photo? Well, the way I did it was I put a bottle of KaroSyrup in the window, so the light from the window, which started off unpolarized, went through the KaroSyrup and was rotated depending on what its wavelength was. But notice that there's two sides of this story. On the left side I get lots of color and something happening, while on the right side almost nothing is happening. The reason is because if you look at the left side, behind the bottle of KaroSyrup is a polarizer. So it takes the unpolarized light from the outside, linearly polarizes it, and then it goes through the KaroSyrup, which rotates the polarization a little bit, depending on the wavelength, and then the polarizer that's taped onto the iPhone that took this filters the light based on its wavelength. That's what's producing all the color. On the other side, that is the right side, there is no polarizer, and so the unpolarized light has no particular effect as it goes through the KaroSyrup and goes into the iPhone camera. Here's a diagram that illustrates the effect we're seeing in the photo. The first polarizer, located right there, polarizes the outside light so it's in one orientation. Then the KaroSyrup, which is illustrated in the middle, rotates that polarization around a little bit, and finally the last polarizer taped onto the iPhone camera filters out the light depending on which wavelength and how much it's been rotated.